Hello! Today we are going to learn a new letter, and that letter is Z. And the song goes like this. The Z says Z. The Z says Z. Every letter makes a sound. The Z says Z. Now, if you look in the front, there's two Z's, and that's because there's an uppercase Z and a lowercase z. Now, inside this container, there are objects that start with the letter Z and make the Z sound. So I'm going to describe it to you, and you're going to guess what's inside. Are you ready? Here we go. This is a number. What number makes the Z sound? Might be a little tough. 0. Z, 0. Oh, this is a place where you go and see different animals. It's a zoo. Zoo starts with the letter Z. And this is an animal that you may be able to find in a zoo. It's white and it has black stripes. Can you guess what the animal is? A zebra. Zebra. Oh, let's see if he can stand. Oh, he does. This is a vegetable. It's green, but it makes the Z sound. Can you guess? Zucchini. Zucchini. The next is a type of pattern. It goes left, right, left, right, left, right. It's called a zigzag. Zigzag. And the last object I have, you can find it on your clothes. When you put your jacket on, you use what is it called? A zipper. Zipper. Down and up. A zipper. And then in my container, I have the uppercase Z and lowercase z. So, I'm going to hold up the object and you're going to tell me what it is. Are you ready? Zipper. Zigzag. Zucchini. Zebra. Zoo. 0. And this is uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase, good job. Uppercase Z and lowercase z. And that is all of our objects inside the container. Now, I want you to go around your house and try to find something that starts with the letter Z and makes the Z sound. And one more time, we're going to sing the song. 1, 2, 3. The Z says Z. The Z says Z. Every letter makes a sound. The Z says Z. Thanks, friends, for learning the letter Z with me. See you next time.